Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2016 Kia Optima SX Turbo. The platform mate to the Hyundai Sonata Turbo. This puts out 275 horsepower in a family sedan. Pretty impressive numbers for a car that you wouldn't expect it to be this fun. It's a sleeper in a roundabout way. Only real indications, you kind of have to know what you're looking for. The dual exhaust, the SXT GDI badges, gas direct injection, and the real kicker are the turbo badges. Other than that, nobody would know that this has more power than a WRX. More power than the Focus ST. Definitely more power than the Honda Civic Si. And more power than the Honda Accord Sport, I do believe. This was kind of underappreciated. I thought it was going to do a lot better sales in its day, and now with the demise of the Optima moving to the K5, I wanted to go ahead and take a look at this one that we got. And as a matter of fact, this car way back, not this exact car, but way back in like 2016, 2017, was the first brand new car I ever drove. I was looking at buying one and I absolutely loved it. It's a phenomenal car. So this one definitely resounds in my mind. I think it was a very similar spec to this one too, the white on the red. Also have some nice window shades here. Red leather throughout. Snow white pearl. Absolutely beautiful color. Harman Kardon audio system. And this one has everything in terms of paperwork. I mean, the previous owner put every single tire rotation, every tire change, everything is in that glove compartment. Heated and cooled seats, and the rear seats are heated too, which is actually pretty rare. If I'm not mistaken, I believe these stickers for right around $30,000 new. And it's still really a phenomenal bargain. I love the suede-esque headliner. It's a very, very soft material. And you have a very, very nice panoramic sunroof. LED lights. Without further ado, let's go ahead and put it into drive. First portion, until we get onto the main straight, we're going to be in normal drive with sport mode engaged, and then we'll move over into manual mode and test that out. What's really unique about this car is the fact that the power, this is a turbocharged car, and it's not turbocharged for efficiency. If you kind of get my drift, it's not meant to be the most economical one. You know, like the base K5 is now turbocharged, but it's not turbo for performance. This is a turbo for performance. So it actually pulls harder in the upper RPMs, something very, very uncommon in most normal turbocharged cars. You know, the Focus ST fell on its face right about 5,500 RPM. This one keeps pulling till right about 6,000. Very, very impressive. Very surprised Kia was able to do that. And this has more power than the Focus ST. Focus ST's 252, this one's 275. So that's pretty impressive. The steering wheel is also really, really nice. Flat bottom design, leather wrapped, Very, very nice metal feeling paddles. Manual mode is not a dedicated manual mode. It will auto upshift at redline. And you also have kickdown mode with a little notch past a full throttle. So you go full and then there's a little kickdown notch, and that will drop the transmission in the lowest gear possible for the optimum passing power. Do this first acceleration in normal drive. That's really, really good. Very impressive torque, very impressive power. I cannot complain with this car. All in all, it's a very, very nice package, very well refined, and it's just, I don't know why these didn't sell more. They were very, very hard to come by as well. I know when I started working for Quirk, February of this year, February 2020, I think I saw 2 turbos in general. 2 turbos, because you could get it on the EX trim, I believe. You could get the turbocharged version. But SX, 1, I think we had. And it sold right away. So they're actually pretty rare, pretty hard to come by. Of course, part of this is the fact that this resonates with me a bit more. You know, I liked this car growing up. I almost bought one as my first car, or second car, I mean. You know, this was really when Kia started to turn the market on its head. This was before the Stinger. These came out before the Stinger. So nobody really associated Kia with being fun to drive. And this was really when things started to really change for the better in terms of quality, refinement, as well as performance, being fun to drive. Kia has absolutely blown me away with their newer vehicles. And you can hear the blow-off valve too. I'm not sure if it's going to come across on camera, but in person, it's like somebody sneezing under the hood. It's pretty cool. This is one heck of a car, guys. I think this puts up a really, really good fight against the Mazda 6 Signature. Very, very good fight against that car. overall handling performance is very good as well. Braking, that's the part that really surprised me about this car. The brakes are phenomenal. No complaints in that department. Absolutely spectacular. Especially for non-Brembo units. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.